Hello, are you a grape grower and not sure what price you're going to get for your grapes this vintage? Well then this one's for you. My name's Josh and I'm joined here by Angelica Grape, one of our analysts here at Wine Australia, and she's also one of the creators of the Grape Price Indicators dashboard. Welcome along.
Thanks.
So can you give me a quick rundown on why this dashboard was created?
Sure. The Grape Price Indicators dashboard was developed by our team here at Wine Australia, along with grape growers and grower representatives, to bring more transparency to the inland wine grape pricing market.
Excellent. So what will it allow growers to do as they start to make their decisions for the upcoming vintage?
Yeah. The dashboard brings together a multitude of factors that influence grape prices, and it also gives you an indication of where prices might move in the future. It does this by bringing together all of this data all in one place, saves you time, and it's really easy to use.
So it's their one-stop shop to keep them in the know as they grow.
That's right.
Awesome. All right, so why don't we just jump straight into it and you can show us how it works.
Let's do it.
Over to you.
Thanks. You can find the Grape Price Indicators dashboard on the Wine Australia website under the Market Insights Dashboard section. It will be the first dashboard on the list. Click this button to launch the dashboard. The first page that you land on is the summary page. The summary page gives you an at-a-glance view of the most important indicators for the movements of inland wine grape prices. While there are many factors that determine wine grape price, this page distills these down to 6 key indicators. The indicators are divided into 2 groups, those specific to Australian grapes and wine, and those that are for the global wine market. Each page has a color or variety filter, so you can customize your view. Some of the charts will filter, others will not. You will know this by the change in color, and the title will also change. The summation of all these indicators is shown in the wine grape price indicator arrow, which can be found to the right-hand side of the inland wine grape price chart. The direction of this arrow is driven by a regression analysis on a selection of the data sets surfaced in this dashboard. The analysis is updated at key points during the year with fresh data, and the direction is updated if needed. If you want to go deeper into the drivers of wine grape price, the dashboard includes 4 supplementary pages: supply and balance, export demand, domestic demand, and global context. You can get to these by clicking on the tabs at the top of the page or with the buttons under the charts on the summary page. 3 of these detail pages also include options for filtering on inland or other regions, or in the case of export demand and domestic demand, you can go to commercial or premium wine. When you click this toggle, the charts will update as well as the titles. If you don't know what the definition of these terms are, hover over the eye next to the toggle and it will tell you. To finish off, I'll just go through some quick navigation tips for using the dashboard. To go back to the Interactive Insights portal, click on this Home button. Next to each chart, you will see these eye symbols. They will give you more information on the data in the visual and why it's important. To download the data from a visual, click on the 3 dots that appear when you hover over it. Then click Export Data. To print a snapshot, click the Print button in the top right-hand corner. You may need to enable background graphics and switch the page orientation to landscape. Here's a little pro tip. If you want to fix how this looks, get out of the print option and come back in. It will then adjust to your preferred layout. A data glossary is available by clicking the book icon in the top right-hand corner or by clicking the Definitions and Explanations button at the bottom of each page.
Thanks, Angelica. I'm blown away by that little arrow that helps people understand where grape prices might go for the upcoming vintage. I mean, super thankful that the federal government put some money towards this and we can bring it all together in one place. What do people do if they want to know more about it?
Sure, they can contact the Market Insights team by booking an Ask an Analyst session through our Market Insights page on the Wine Australia website, or just email or call us and we'll help you out.
Awesome. So I hope people get on board and have a look and reach out if they have any questions. Thank you for joining us.